According to the pattern or the design of the box, I'm gonna choose a tag, and it's a good rule of thumb for me. Like, let's say this design here is quite boring, and then it's really cool if the tag can be more busy, something like this to balance out. So this is the tag maker, and then you have different sizes here. I'm going to choose the largest one, which is 2.5 inches. So the first thing that I'm gonna do now is to cut the paper to size with this small trimmer here, like this. You have to cut it a little bit. And then I'm just gonna add it to the tag maker like so. And then the tag is ready. I'm now gonna be using the We Are Memory Keepers word punch to create a name. In this case, it's Mike. So I'm just gonna add the letters here to these boxes so that I can then punch out the name. I'm gonna add it here. And here we have the name. Now, if you will just add it directly onto here, it's going to be a little bit difficult to read. So I'm going to cut this one here. And then add it to another colored, like contrasting paper. I'm gonna eyeball here a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna just remove the edges here, like so. Punch a hole here to the middle, like so. Like so. Add a little ribbon to it. I want to go for 2 different colors. Just gonna tie a knot here and then another one so that the tag stays flexible underneath, if you know what I mean. Like this. This one. And now you have a nice decoration to put on top of the box, and you can see, even though the box is relatively boring or monochrome, then you have the nice addition here on top. Here are the packages with the tissue paper. Now I want to go ahead and add a tag. So this one is a finished one. Just gonna fix it with some tape. I'm using the magic tape for this one because you can barely see it and it's very strong. You will not be able to see the tape anyways because the tag will be on top. So this is how it's gonna look. I'm gonna use the double-sided Scotch tape. Just like so. First one done. Next one is gonna be this design here. And voila, the second one is done. And then the last package. And voila. So here they are finished. I did not add any stickers or anything because I think they already look quite busy the way they are now. I hope you enjoyed this little video here and see you in the next one. Bye bye.